So if you record any videos with your iPhone and then you transfer into your computer to edit with Final Cut Pro, you may see something like this. And what it is that you have HDR videos to be converted and it looks all messed up. So by the way, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below. So here we are in Final Cut Pro, and I got footage right here that I recorded with my video. And when I put it right here, you can see that. And you get a little, warning that says adding HDR clips to SDR project, you got to do some color grading. So I'm going to click OK here. And essentially, obviously, I cannot use that footage, right? But I'm going to show you how to fix that. Really simple. All you have to do is actually click on it, and then you're going to come up here, and depends where you add here in your settings. I want you to go to this little eye right here. And then sometimes you got to go into settings and make sure you click settings. So whatever this is, it could be on basic, it could be on whatever. Make sure you click in this tap down menu and then go to settings. And when you do that, it's kind of going to show this right here. So go to color space override, click right there and click this Rec 2020. I want you to see what's going to happen. And as you can see, it gets fixed. So now from here, you can utilize this with no problems, right? So again, very, very simple. And again, you may have multiple different videos. Just go ahead and highlight them all and then go there and do that, and it's going to fix them all, right? So hopefully that kind of help you out. You don't have the headache of recording in your phone, transferring to Final Cut Pro, and you thinking to yourself, wow, what's going on here? Very, very simple. You could fix that. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We see you in the next one.